This is the map of Anim State. For Anim State to be created, parts of Anambra State will be mapped out. Part of Imo State will be mapped out to form Anim State. Is the creation of Anim State the interest of Igbo nation? No. Majority of Ndigbo are not in support of Anim State. Because if Anim State is being created, Southeast still remains 5 states. Because they just create states for inside that 5 states. It not expand, it not increase, nothing new. The only thing where Igbo nation go just dey hear now, they don't get 6 states, finish. That's the only benefit of Anim State to Igbo nation. Three states are being proposed and 1 will be created for the Southeast. The 3 states are Anioma State, Adada State, and Anim State. Adada people have an argument, a very reasonable argument, and that's because when Adada State is being created, the indigenous Igbos in Kogi and Benue will be added to Adada State. Those indigenous Igbos in Kogi and Benue is the only thing that is making us to look into Adada State. What makes Anioma State the #1 choice of the Southeast is simply because no part of the Southeast will be added to Anioma State for Anioma State to be created. Anioma State comprises of Delta North, and it comprises the indigenous Igbos in Edo State that will be brought back to Anioma land through boundary adjustments. Through that boundary adjustment, Ibanke, Iru, Owarizo, and other Ika-speaking communities in Edo State will join Anioma State. Ika is an Igbo dialect. They speak the way Umune they speak, Akomazi speak, Abo speak. They are Igbo people, indigenous in Edo State. Igbo nation wants Anioma people to join the Southeast. The population of Anioma people is 2.something to 3 million people. If you get Anim State, no population is being added to the Southeast. No land mass is being added to the Southeast. All these things have disqualified Anim State agitation. That is why we said that Anim State has no benefit to Igbo nation. If we actualize Anioma State and zone it to the Southeast, Igbo nation will be proud to say that more crude oil wells and gas deposits have joined Southeast. Igbo nation will be proud to say that they have reconnected with their brothers that were disconnected from them since the creation of Nigeria. Anioma people were separated from the Southeast through divide and rule. Only Anioma State will put an end to that divide and rule. If we get Anioma State and zone into the Southeast, it will make those Anioma people that are denying their Igbo identity to see reasons that we Anioma people are Igbo people. All those lies that the enemies of Igbo nation are telling our brothers in Anioma will clear from their eyes. Identity crisis will go into extinction in Igbo land. If we get Anioma State and zone it to the Southeast will have a stronger political strength. Politics is a game of numbers. Anioma State will give Igbo nation everything that she wants. Anioma State is more qualified than Anim State and Adada State. Some people are saying Anioma people can get Anioma State and be in the South. We are all Igbo people. We know that Anioma people are Igbo people. But let them actualize the Anioma State and be in the South. This is what those people that are agitating for Anim State and Adada State are saying. The reason for Anioma state is for we Anioma people to join our brothers in the southeast. So those are our Igbo brothers that are saying that let Anioma state be in the south. They should know that there is disunity in Igbo nation. And the only thing that will restore a united Igbo nation is for Anioma people to join the southeast, so that if southeast agree for this thing, Anioma people go agree for that thing. No be this side go talk say they agree, this side go talk say they not agree. Instead of us to carry one mind, they live for Igbo land. Everybody go they do here paka. Anioma state is to unite Igbo nation. For Igbo nation to have a single front. So that if we dey agitate for Igbo agenda, say Igbo nation won't get this thing, Anioma people, the entire Igbo nation go support that thing and we go get that thing. So saying that Anioma state should be created and zoned to the south, all because you want Anim state, all because you want Adada state, it just shows that some of you don't care about Igbo unity. You don't care about Igbo agenda. You don't care that our ancestors in Anioma land have been agitating for Anioma state to join the southeast since 1938. How many years now? 87 years. The agitation of Anioma state is older than the agitation of Adada and Anim states. Those people that are agitating for Adada, they know say Adada not reach Anioma state for anywhere. They know it. Those people that are agitating for Anim state, they know say if Anioma state they talk, their region not go talk because they are not qualified. If to say our politicians for Igbo nation get Igbo interest for their hearts, say they mean well for Igbo nation, as Igbo nation they talk about this Anioma state, all of them go support them with one mind. Those people that are agitating for Anim state and Adada state, all these things where are they explain, so they know. But because of say they won't be senator, they won't be governor, they won't start to dey control resources, they won't occupy power, they got sabotage Igbo agenda for that their interest. Some of them are saying, Anioma people said that they don't want to join the southeast. For that, we want Adada state, we want Anim state. Make Anioma people carry the Anioma state go south. They forgot that Anioma state is Igbo agenda. The agenda of Bia speaking people. For us to unite with our brothers in Anioma, they don't easily give up. Igbo person where they quick give up on something, how Igbo nation will take grow? Where you easily give up. What is the number of those Anioma people that said they don't want to join the southeast? In every movement in this life, that movement will never get 100% support from their people. As US capture Venezuela president, so many Venezuela people were celebrating, saying thank you to US. So many Venezuela people were also protesting, saying why will US capture their president? As some of our Igbo brothers they agitate to actualize Biafra, some of our Igbo brothers no want to make Biafra come. As some other tribes for Nigeria they talk say they don't tire for Nigeria, say they won't come up from Nigeria. Some people from that their region still they talk say they want to make Nigeria remain one. As bandits and terrorists they kill northerners, so many of those northerners where they kill they talk say they want to make Nigeria divide. Some of them they thought say they want to make Donald Trump come. But some of their people for that same north they thought say they don't want to make Nigeria divide. Say they don't want to make Donald Trump come. So nothing you gonna do for this life where we say that thing go get 100% support. When they want to create Midwestern region, no be everybody where they that Midwestern region support and say me they create that Midwestern region. Some of them were against it. So now they thought say some Anioma people thought say they don't want to join southeast. For that, make they dey their south now. Such Igbo people when they talk that thing, they not even know what it be Igbo agenda. Igbo agenda is not for everybody. Not everybody know what they call Igbo agenda. As an Igbo person, quickly, if you say Igbo nation wants this thing, now this thing we say we want to. If you see some people for Anioma they say they don't want just southeast, ignore those people. All those people are just normal people for streets where they say they don't want to join southeast. As we do protest, say we want Anioma state to join southeast. Show me one person where come out carry placard they talk say hey, you know what make Anioma state join southeast. The person they increase. As we do that rally and protest where we do for Asaba, where we protest, they tell the world say we want to make Anioma state join southeast. Say those are our politicians for Anioma where they fight against the southeast zoning of Anioma state. Say they're not they represent us. Say if you get any issue where they get, may they go sort them out. Say we Anioma people want Anioma state to be created as zone to the southeast. You also the crowd that came to that rally. We not even announce say we won't do rally. Now that kind of crowd come out. Imagine say we take like 1 month plan that rally. Crowd well una go see go shock una. Everyone there are Anioma people. Okwane people are there, Oshimli, Anyocha, and the Ka people, they were there. Every region in Anioma said with a microphone that they want Anioma state to be created as zone to the south. That we Anioma people are Igbo people. Did you see any Anioma person coming out to protest saying they don't want Anioma state to join the southeast too? As if he say no one come out come protest, it shows that 90% of Anioma people want Anioma state to be created as zone to the southeast. But those are our brothers where they agitate for Anim state, where they agitate for Adada state, they're not reason go this side. And that's because they have their own interests. People who don't know what's in the Igbo agenda. People who don't know what's in the Igbo movement. They call themselves Ndigbo. They forgot that Igbo nation is being divided in this country. That we need Anioma state to join the southeast to increase our political strength. You think say Igbo agenda na small children say? You go get strong mind. You go hold ground. That is how to actualize a movement. Even if some people they fall your hand, continue. Keep moving. To actualize the agenda of any movement, it does not come easily. You go struggle, you go struggle, you go struggle. Disappointment go dey come, you still hold ground, dey struggle till you actualize that thing. I'm calling on Hope Uzodinma to see reasons and know that that's an name state where they agitate for. Not go benefit Igbo nation. Anioma people not want Anioma state. What we want is only Anioma state. No part of Anambra state will be carved out to join Anioma state. All we want is Anioma people and the indigenous Igbos in those states to become Anioma state and join the southeast. That is all we are asking for. Those people that are agitating for Anioma state, that are trying to add Anioma state to Anim state, make them become Animoma, they should know that they are only trying to use Anioma to get that Anim state, make it become major. That is not what we Anima people are asking for. Because if those Anim state agitators see they talk say they want to make we merge, that means they are against the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zoning. That means they are putting that Anim first over Anioma states. We Igbo people, we are united. But Igbo politicians are not united. Ndigbo love themselves, but Igbo politicians don't love Ndigbo. Because if to say Igbo politicians love Igbo nation, Anim state for don't go into extinction. Therefore, now they talk about Anim state again. Hope Uzodinma should know that all people in that Imo state have been the ones producing governor in Imo state. Are all people complaining of marginalization? No. Are all people saying we dey suffer for this Imo state that they marginalize us? They don't complain. They are fine. They are okay. Why are you people agitating that you want Anim state, knowing fully well that Anioma people are located in Delta State, South, that they want to join their brothers in the southeast? Why wanna carry Anim state they put for their obstacle? Governor Hope Uzodinma and Senator Izunazo, you people should see reasons and know that Anim state has no benefit to Igbo nation. The benefit of Anioma state to Igbo nation is too much. All those our brothers from Adada state that are saying, if we get Anioma state, what will become the Igbos indigenous in Kogi state and Benue state? You can bring the Igbos indigenous in Kogi and Benue state back to a certain true boundary adjustment, but you cannot do that for Anioma people. Anioma land is too big to join the southeast through boundary adjustment. You can only join Anioma state to the southeast through state creation. So those are our brothers for Enugu state, where they say for Adada state, we want bring in the indigenous Igbos in Kogi and Benue back to the southeast. They should know that we Anioma people that are agitating for Anioma state, we stand with them. We know say that they pass through a lot for that Kogi and Benue where they dey. And that is the same way the indigenous Igbos in Edo State are passing through a lot in that Edo State. So if una want to make this thing wey we dey do easy, make we support Anioma State, get Anioma State join Southeast, then we will bring back those Igbos in Kogi and Benue through boundary adjustment. Na wetin Southeast politicians suppose to dey reason be this. Make we Igbos no dey champion something wey good, our politicians go dey stand against that thing. Put Igbo interest first, not your interest. Put Igbo agenda first. Igbo agenda, make una know say we dey divided, make una know say we are being marginalized in this country. Say na our unity go save Igbo nation. Not another go dey talk say Igbo people are not united. Igbos are united, and our politicians na not know wetin we Ndigbo want. You politicians are already made. Una get money. Now una know how money dey enter the state, dey comot. Wetin una dey find again? Una wan create more states and block of Ndigbo dey outside the Southeast instead of to join them for Southeast to expand the territory of Igbo nation, to expand the resources of Igbo nation, to expand the population of Igbo nation. Una dey agitate for state. Una wan divide the small states where dey Southeast to create a state. It's very bad. Na bad thing. Yoruba people dey there, dey agitate say they want make Kwara State join Southwest. Because they know say Fulani don't take Kwara State. They want to take it back. Yoruba people want make the indigenous Yoruba people where they Kogi State join them for Southwest. Our own for Igbo land, we dey fight Anioma State to divide Enugu State to get another state, to divide Imo State and Anambra State to get another state. Ijaw people dey for that place, they agitate say they want to rule Ebe State. To rule Ebe State includes the Ijaw people in Ondo State, the Ijaw people in Edo State, and the Ijaw people in Delta State. The map of that state is as big as the map of Anioma State. Why Ijaw people not talk say make dem share Bayelsa State into two, make e be say Ijaw don get two states? The reason I'm not say they have brothers outside that their Bayelsa State, that they need to rule Ebe State for Ijaw people to have two states in Nigeria to increase their political strength. But Southeast own, instead of to expand, they divide themselves. It's very shameful. If Ijaw people wan get 3 states now, they go collect the indigenous Ijaw people where they River State, collect some land for Bayelsa State, it go be 1 state. Ijaw people go come get 3 states. Other tribes for the country where wan get more states, na so they reason. Our own for Igbo land, na kai kewe nkai wenwe, kai bube nkai wenwe, kai hapo mwane ino nilo, kawa nafue, mana kai nafue go na iri na state of white create. Ife de ayin pa bakpa nkai, and not the interest of Ndigbo. The only problem we dey face for Igbo nation na money. Not be say na only Ndigbo dey face that problem. Every tribe for this country, na money be their problem. When you see a greedy person, a selfish person, a self-centered person from any tribe, no say na money na make am dey do all those things. The reason for all those bad character and behavior is for him to get more money for himself. If you see any Igbo politician, they sabotage Anioma State, they talk say he hold ground say he must get this Anim State, he hold ground say he must get this Adada State. Now because of money, not be for the interest of Ndigbo. If you see any politician for that Adada area, hold ground, they talk say Adada State or nothing. Now money make them they do that thing. Oh, now love of money. So many Igbo politicians can sabotage any Igbo agenda for money. You don't know these people. So many of them are wicked. If to say na governor like Governor Alex Oti, that one na Governor Alex Oti na human being, very good man. He is never against the Southeast zone of Anioma State. He supported Anioma State with open arms. Now be Igbo politician where they put Igbo agenda first. Alex Oti wagadele ma. Now those kind of politicians we need for Igbo land, politicians that are supporting Igbo agenda. Ebonyi State is in full support of Anioma State. Oh, wabundicho kani Igbo dimma. One thing I love about Ebonyi people, anything Igbo agenda, anything Igbo movement, Ebonyi people are in full support. I too like those people. Ebonyi people, they are in full support of Anioma State. No be say Abia State and Ebonyi State not like money. They love money, but they don't see say this is Igbo agenda. Let's put Igbo agenda first. That is how we Igbo people are supposed to be reasoning. Oya bụ ndị Igbo Igbo agenda n'obi. Nwamana anyị bụ ndị Igbo, anyị na-agabiga ife shinne na this country. No, Igbo bụ ofu ya ga-azọ anyị. Oya come Imo State, they did that place, they agitate for Anim State. Go Enugu, they agitate for Adada State. With that, they are sabotaging the effort that we have made for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. The world is watching. They go say Igbo people not like themselves. Now so that they do. They don't feel actualize anything. Even if federal government give them opportunity, say make una get this thing, they go fight and sabotage that, scatter that thing. This thing is very bad. Make we not sit down, watch Anioma State come up for our hand. Make we not watch Igbo nation lose this Anioma State. Our politicians in the southeast, I know say una they watch this video, una go surely see this video. Make una use una tongue, count on our teeth. Make una support Anioma State. Make we get Anioma State zone to southeast so that in the future people go dey talk say Hope Uzodimma play the role for Anioma State to be actualized. The politicians in Enugu State, they gave up Adada State for Anioma State to join the southeast. If our upcoming generation they hear am, they go dey call on a good name. They go dey honor on a name, say una unite Igbo nation. Say the agitation for Anioma State where our ancestors don dey agitate for since 1938. Say una follow for wetin make that dream become a reality. Na this thing we wan dey hear. Governor Soludo of Anambra State, make you support the creation of Anioma State to join the southeast. Our Igbo brothers all over social media, they are in support of Anioma State to join the southeast. We Anioma people, we want Anioma State to join the southeast. Make una wey be politician not sabotage this thing for us. Our southeast politician should prove to us that Igbo bofu. Make una prove to Igbo nation say Igwe buike. Those of you that are agitating for Anim and Adada states, make una calm down. Make we get this Anioma State to join the southeast. We will get back the indigenous Igbos in Kogi and Benue State through boundary adjustments. Although people in Imo State are not complaining of marginalization, the people of Ihiala in Anambra State are not complaining of marginalization. So many of them are against that Anim State. They are all in support of Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. Igbo nation, all we want is unity. We don't want division anymore. Igbo organizations in diaspora, Igbo Congress, make una reach out to those our politicians from Imo State where they agitate for Anim States and those politicians where they agitate for Adada State. Make una make them see reasons why they should give up on those states that they are agitating for and support Anioma State. We are calling on every Igbo organization. We are calling on Ohaneze Ndigbo and every politician in Igbo land to support the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. Make we not blame ourselves at last. Every Igbo movement and agenda wants Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. If you are a politician from the southeast, don't be an obstacle against Anioma State. Don't be the reason why we will lose this opportunity from joining the southeast. A word is enough for the wise. Support Igbo agenda. Defend Igbo agenda. Igbo bofu. Ishiegwale.